Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer about s, that is about the square root of s to the power of 2. So we see that we have the square root of s, square root of s. We can do about factorization. And then we have like this. Next, the square root of s go outside this square root, and we will have about s to the power of 1 over 4. Because the square root of s we have 1 over 2, and the second one they still have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, we have 1 over 4 in here. Next, the square root of s, they also about s to the power of 1 over 4 to the power of number 2. Because 1 over 4 multiplied by number 2, we will have about s to the power of 1 over 2. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we can apply the power rule of the derivative. And that should be like this. 1 over 4 minus 1. We have negative number 3 over 4. And this one we can put into 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over s to the power of 3 over 4. And we know that this one we can change into the root of number 4 of s to the power of number 3. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so 1 over 4 in here, so we put number 4 go to the left of the u, and we have like this. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. The s over this one we change by 4 du. Now, we can use integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus u square. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. T square we have 2t dt. First the derivative of u square, we have 2u with the negative sign here. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Now we divide both sides by negative number 2, and this one we have negative t dt equals to u du. This one we change by t. U du we change by negative t dt. So negative and number 4 I will put outside. T and T, we have T square. The integration of T square, we have T to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about C. So, about T, that is about this one. About U, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.